This is the OCA film for S6-inch, and we will put the OCA film on the front panel glass of S6-inch. Here is an customized mode. Do alignment first to put it in the mode. Okay, so the OCA film, it is stick on the rubber. Peel off the protector film on the OCA. Okay. You see there is a little gap between the glass and the OCA film. And it is in good alignment for the glass and also the OCA film. And then we will put it in the OCA vacuum laminator. This is the separate OCA vacuum laminator. For inch series, it is better to use the separate OCA vacuum laminator and also the bubble remover machine. It will do more better result for you. And this method, it is just for the inch series. Okay. Take it out, and you can see the result. No bubbles. And the flip side. 另外一面. Yeah. It is perfect. Okay.
有一点点泡就满不泡。
And if you find there is a little bubble on the glass, you can put it in the bubble remover for around 3 to 4 minutes. That is okay.
脱出来之后是这个一点泡都没有的，完全 OK 的。
Now this is the one we done before. Later, after 3 or 4 minutes, we can see the result.
这个，贴这个，反过来了，刚才是正面啊，反过来。 这
put the glass with OCA film together with the LCD screen by using this mode. This is a special mode for inch series. Okay. And then put it in the back laminator to do lamination. See, the result will be like this, and there is little bubbles.
没有泡的，基本上没泡的，
Yeah,
有点小
very little.
有一点小的，
So we will put it in the bubble remover.
还是去头泡就可以了。
拿出来。
头泡出来就差不多。
And this is a previous one. This is a previous one we apply OCA film on it, and now you can see that no bubbles at all.
可以了，等它出来。
关闸先。抖。See.
没泡，这个盘出来没泡。
No bubbles.